Sift the flour. Separate the egg from the yolk. Beat the egg yolk. Add the warm milk, the egg whites. Add the warm water. Add vegetable oil. Add sugar. Add salt. Add instant yeast. Beat with a whisk. Add the sifted flour. You can make the dough either by hand or with a stand mixer. Add flour occasionally. Cover the mixer bowl with a gelatin or add the dough to a separate bowl. Leave it for 40 minutes to ferment. You can open it when it swells. Grease a pan. Place the dough on the floured mat. Give it shape. Divide into 10 pieces. Form the dough into a ball and place on a greased baking tray. Mix poppy seed paste with oil. Turn the dough over and add butter on top. Spread baking paper on a tray. Pour oil on the mat and spread the dough. Spread poppy seed paste onto the dough. Cut the dough into strips. Fold the dough into a roll, twist it. Combine both ends of the dough. Spread the egg yolk. Add sesame seeds, blue poppy seeds, black cumin. Bake in the oven at 180 Celsius until golden brown.